So what's up guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video is I'm going to ask my mother 3 questions. First one is, what is language? Second one is language and dialect the same? Third one is, what is the difference between language and communication? So what are we waiting for? Let's go! What's up guys, so right now I'm going to ask the 3 questions. First one is, for you, what is language?
Language yung katulad ng ginagamit natin, may Bisaya, may Tagalog din at may English.
Is language and dialect the same? For you, what?
Siguro hindi.
Bakit? Why?
Yung language kasi yung Bisaya, kung Bisaya ka or English, Tagalog yung pananalita mo, at yung dialect style ng pananalita ng tao.
So the last question is, what is the difference between language and communication?
Language is pagsasalita at communication is pakikipag-usap.
So that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you learned something because I don't. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Babu, peace and love brother.